Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ami Issacs, VP of Partnerships at EndoTech, and today I will show you how to make your first deposit to your CoinbasePro account. Click on the deposit button on your dashboard and choose the currency you would like to transfer in. Once you've decided which cryptocurrency you're transferring, you will receive a wallet address. There are many wallets out there and the same process applies to all. You will have to copy and paste the address CoinbasePro provided you on the executing side. Make sure to double check the address you're entering on the initial wallet one last time before proceeding with the withdrawal. The cryptocurrency you chose to deposit will appear in your wallet on CoinbasePro once the deposit is confirmed. Good luck and thank you for choosing EndoTech.